Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we are going to be making a baby ice cream. This is a super easy recipe. So for the ingredients we're going to use frozen bananas, Hershey cocoa powder, and almond milk. So first we're going to be taking one frozen banana, putting that into the blender, and then adding in about, I would just do I saw that I did a little bit more than a teaspoon, but I would probably just do like a little pinch, or depending on how much chocolate you want to add. Then we're going to add in the almond milk, and I used 1/4 cup of almond milk, and you can feel free to use whatever type of milk you would like. Then I blended this up. I have a Ninja Chef blender which has the ice cream function, so it did provide me with that more creamier texture, but you can use a regular blender and use the regular speeds and it'll provide you with something similar. So here is the final product, and I am going to transfer that into a baby container, and you can store this in your freezer and this will last you, I would say, about a month. And you can just take it out and use it whenever you're ready, just like regular ice cream. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and please leave recommendations below.